Okay, I make some small upgrade on this phone battery bank, which I show in my previous video. But the upgrade which I did to this battery bank is I replace this housing for the electronic with this one over here. So right now the electronic is over here in this top cap. And I think that this way the entire battery bank looks a little bit better. But what is also really nice feature by this top cover is this. So I will start to charge my phone. You see the LED. I will turn off the lights. Really nice. And now I will charge this battery bank. And the red LED will start to flash. Really nice. So guys, that's it for now, and we see us in the next video. Bye.